Hey everybody, hope you're having a great day. I'm being shameless. I'm not even changing my shirt. Yes, here I am right back for a very quick video. So I will be honest, I kind of already unboxed it. I thought I hit the record button and I hit the picture button instead, and I feel so terrible because you guys didn't see my raw, genuine emotion. It was good. It was a good moment. We had a good talk. So here's the thing. In our Facebook group, in the month of November, I believe, I was one of the giveaway winners. And what I got was, hello, cutest 10 ever. I really had, Darla, if you're watching this, I had the best look of surprise because I couldn't remember what I wanted. So this is so cute. She gave me 5, I believe, are these 10 or 15? These look huge. These are huge roller balls, and they're already pre-labeled. These are so cute. So they're the cutest. I don't know if you guys can see them. And then, you guys, every single video I drop stuff. Like, I am a hot mess. But thank God all this stuff is so durable. Okay, so for wellness, add drops to each bottle and fill with a carrier oil of choice. So, unless personally, this is just my opinion. Now, Young Living does have the V6 complex carrier oil, which is supposed to be like the best of the best. Something that they've created and cooked up. I personally just use sweet almond oil. It's really cheap at Walmart. You can get it looks like a small bottle, but it goes a long way because you're literally only using 5 mLs at a time. So it goes a very long way. Also, one thing that I like about almond oil is that it leaves 0 residue. It absorbs really quickly, leaves no residue. If you're doing something that may be a little bit more for moisturizer, or if you have a nut allergy, you can do coconut oil. I can link a Young Living blog article below, and it basically breaks down the types of carrier oils that you should be using and why you want to use them. I'll do that. I'll link that one. There is one labeled Head Throb. Okay, so there is a Be Well vial. There is a Shark Week, which I'm not sure what that means. It says Shark Week, but I don't know. This says Breathe, so I think that's what it means. There is a facelift, which sounds like what I totally need. And that is 10 frankincense. There we go. Using up that frankincense. 10 frankincense, 8 lavender, and 2 lemon. And a pick me up, 5 orange and 5 joy. So thank you so much. First of all, I love the 10. I love the way I got these vials that are pre-labeled. That is so cute. So I love it. Okay, you guys. I love being in my group. So thank you so much, Darla. So I love you guys. I hope you're having a great day. Have a happy, healthy day. Until next time, bye. Bye. With it. You guys were just terrible while I was trying to film. What is it? Could you give me a break? Could you give me a little bit of break?